This video is dedicated to help you remove fake human verification alerts which come from the site reaqdpro.com. This website, reaqdpro.com, is a deceptive resource. It shows fake human verification alerts, so you should not trust these fake alerts. It's a mistake to click on Allow, because this would hijack the browser with permanent and really intrusive advertisements that will be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on Allow, you need to fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, select Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and Notifications. Pay very careful attention to the sites which are allowed to send notifications, and remove these malicious sites and other dangerous and deceptive sites that could be causing such pop-ups. In order to make sure that the system is free of other threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. We recommend you to get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.